Greetings, dear subscribers. Today on our channel, we'll share with you an incredibly powerful ritual capable of reversing anything someone may have cast upon you, from whispers and hexes to dark energies. This ceremony also serves as a way to identify those who wished you harm, whether in real life or the dream realm. Remember, you can use this ritual for yourself or others, simply by replacing the word me with the desired person's name. Get ready for an engaging ritual that will help cleanse you of negativity. Light a candle and let it burn after reciting the spell. Focus on the positive and read the following words on the candle 12 times. Whoever with word or deed has wrought evil upon me. Who has walked to the graveyard for my soul? Who has burned a candle for my repose? Who has shouted my name at the crossroads, offering me to demons and devils? Who poured water? Who whispered? Who sent dark spirits? To him be dispersed, and to his deeds in loss. Word with word may not connect. Deed with deed may not close. To all deeds and words, an empty abyss. Let it be carried to the swampy reeds. The enemy's deed will turn to dust. My guardian and my kin are everywhere with me, in all days and hours, preserving my body and spirit. The candle in the night burns with a bright flame. My word and deed are strong. So be it. Remember that you can direct this magic not only at past actions but also for future protection. Believe in the power of your words and the energy of this ritual. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, this ritual is just a tool, and the true power lies within you. Let's together create a positive energetic space and continue the journey into the world of magic and self-discovery. Until our next meeting on the channel.